bring so much happiness everywhere you go. You're cute and sweet and so much fun and loved more than you know.
Cars underwear.
Happy Valentine's Day. Love,
Cars underwear.
Cars underwear. Wow.
You got Cars underwear? Let me see.
That's cool.
Show Mommy.
So Johnny likes that one. That means this one's for you.
And the hearts.
Race team.
Johnny, what did you get?
I open this.
Of course you're gonna open that. Can Mommy see your new underwear? Justin, can you show Mommy your new underwear? Oh, you got it open like a champ, didn't you?
And those are for me?
Those are for you? Are those for big boys?
Yes.
Yes. Do big boys wear underwear?
Yes.
Oh, what's in there?
Chocolate.
Oh. Do you like chocolate?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. See, I do. Is it good? Mmm. Johnny, do you like your card? Huh? What do you say to Gran Gran and Taps? What do you say?
What do you say, Justin?
Thank you.
Good boy. You digging your card, buddy?
Yes.
Yeah. Say thank you, Gran Gran. Thank you, Taps. Oh. Oh. Ah, it's a killer baby. Oh, help. Are you coming for me? Are you coming for me? Oh, now you want to watch Winnie the Pooh?
Yes.
Tell Gran Gran and Taps that you like your chocolate.
I love you.
Thank you.
Here, give me this cord. I know. That was awful. You shouldn't play with bags either, huh? What does that do, Johnny? You're making a play for the under... Oh, I see what you're making a play for. Anything dangerous, he's like, mine.
No.
He's snacking. Johnny.
No.
Johnny, they're not for you. Alright, say bye.
Bye.
Say, I love you.
I love you.